Hey everybody, out of the farm today. It's about 34 degrees. So welcome to the channel in the cold. I've already started on this. I don't know why I didn't film it before, but because I'm terrible with this. I'm crap because I'm not Scottish. I'm gonna be busting up. I already busted up some of the concrete over there. I'll put a flashback video where I filmed it earlier. I started working on this one. This one's kind of cool. You can kind of see it's all, I don't know if you can see, yeah, it's made up of field stone that they concreted over from way back. That was the one that was buried under the porch. This is the one that was the actual steps. I don't know if I'll be able to break this one up anymore, but you can definitely see what I broke up over there. So I'm going to try and find a nice spot to set y'all up. Maybe on the rubble pile looking this way while I try and break this up some more. Probably won't do it very long because me swinging a hammer will be boring. Remember, let the hammer do the work. There you go. Hopefully I don't smash you with a rock because it's my time. This whole chunk over here is about to come off anyhow. So not to try and look impressive, it's already been done. The goal here is to get this broken down enough that I can use it as rubble to fill in some holes and stuff back on the property. So anyway, see how that goes. Couple mole crickets. Come here, I know it's cold. Yeah. Come here. God dang it. I'm trying to move the mole crickets so I can go into the shed. Sit in here. There. God damn it. Come here. Go there. Like he got squished. All sorts of neat, interesting little crevices and cracks and weird rocks. This field rock, at least it's breaking up pretty nicely. Get it out of the way. Maybe. It's on the way. That one bounced. So if I can clear out a void, the rock has some place to go. That guy goes crack. That cracked all down the face over here. I'm having a Murtaugh moment. Too old is. He was 41 when he said that. This side's gonna be hard to do because of the rubble pile. I'll try a little more. You guys are a little close, and then I'll work a bit more. I may have to get the tractor to pick this whole thing up. What's left? I might as well get the bottom corner. It's off the ground. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little extra work on that one. There's a crack for me. Anyway, all right, that's enough of me huffing and puffing. I'll let y'all go. I'll do this for a little bit more. I'm just piddling around the farm today, so have a good one. Thanks for watching. A little bit better view. Anyway. Alright everybody, there you go. Quick 5 minutes worth of work. Got this staircase moved over and broken down. Got that one broken down. There's probably some stuff at the bottom I can't quite get to. It's underneath all the rubble. There's a kind of a big chunk there. There's another big chunk there, and then of course the slab over there. These big chunks are like, that's 4 inches of concrete. I can probably break that. I just can't get to it. I don't feel like hand moving all the rock just right at this moment. Definitely get too old for this. Anyway, so that's all the happy sledging for today. Thanks for watching, y'all. Later.
Baby, come on.